right, coming back to it. Our flue temperature is wrapped over the 7 and sitting, call it 325. Our lower temperature here is sitting at 1600. So if you, I don't know if this camera's going to do it justice or not, but the whole side of the tank is red. Glowing red through here, glowing red all the way around. Our oil drip is heavy, so we're going to turn that down just a hair. So you can see it's thinning out right now. Our inside temperature is, well, call it 22 Celsius. And this is right in the corner, right near where the furnace is running. So compared to starting it at minus 15, it's done quite well. So it is just puffing black like crazy, and our temperature inside shows that. So call it a runaway. Maybe that battery blanket heated up enough that it is now just letting that oil flow through nicely. So again, I twisted it down to thin it out. And that's approximately what we want it to be at. So you can see how hot that tank is with the red. You can hear it crackling now, so that's the temperature coming down. And looking from outside, you can tell now it's no longer black and just going straight to heat vapor. So we've brought the amount of fuel it's consuming for the air back in to check where it needs to be. But very hot. So even our gauge here's going down. So that's a runaway. So even our temperature on the side of the tank is no longer glowing red. It's gone back to its black. Still very hot, but it's no longer red. So that kind of shows what a runaway oil furnace will kind of do. So it's things to watch out for. And that's the consumption that I like to see, just a nice thin stream of oil. And even this gauge is back in that 300.